Nasa mahigit 30 testigo ang ihaharap ng House Prosecution Panel sa impeachment trial laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Umaasa naman ang prosekusyon na matatapos na ang girian sa liderato ng Senado bago magsimula ang trial sa July 6. Si Cristal Ramizares nakatutok.
Sana they take advantage of that special session to address what needs to be addressed, to fix what needs to be fixed, no? And ultimately, to have a duly elected Senate President.
Iyan ang ipinagdarasal ng House Prosecution Panel matapos i-anunsyo ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang pagpapatawag ng isang special session of Congress ngayong Miyerkules. Sa gitna ng sigalot sa liderato ng Senado, kailangan anilang i-prioritize ang pagkakaroon ng isang Senate President bago pa man magsimula ang impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa Hulyo 6.
It's also for the purpose of providing clarity to the people. Because in the coming days, once the actual trial begins, we anticipate that there's going to be a huge investment in terms of the people watching the impeachment trial.
Magandang pagkakataon rin ng special session para i-fast track ang mga priority legislative measures. Ayon pa rin sa prosecution panel, kung pagbabasehan ng 22 senators sa ngayon, may i-apply pa rin ang Avellino versus Cuenco doctrine sa conviction threshold o yung kinakailangang boto ng senator judges para makonvict ang isang impeachable officer.
Ang sinabi sa Constitution, 2/3 of all members of the Senate. It did not say 2/3 of the 24 members of the Senate, no? So I think the use of all, and we can check perhaps this from the framers of the Constitution, is in order to give room to the people in the government, the senators, the Supreme Court, to interpret the same to a way that the constitutional mandate will still be given effect.
And we need a Senate that is functioning. And for all of the procedures that the Senate will be doing, we need senators who are able to do their job.
Isinumite na rin ng House Prosecution Panel ang kanilang pre-trial brief sa impeachment court ngayong araw. Kasama nito ang kanilang stipulation of facts o ang mga bagay na hindi na dapat pagtalunan ng magkabilang panig at documentary evidences. Maging ang listahan ng lagpas 30 witnesses mula sa kanilang orihinal na 25 witnesses.
So it's not a question of probative value or weight of the evidence. It is a question of inclusion of all the witnesses and evidence to make sure that we will be allowed to present them during the trial.
Magsasagawa rin ng pre-trial conference ang prosecution panel kasama ang private prosecutors at defense counsel ngayong June 18. Balak i-propose ng prosecution panel ang paggamit ng Filipino language ng magkabilang panig sa trial, pati na rin ang simultaneous translation sa iba't ibang dialect para naiintindihan ang trial proceedings kahit ng isang ordinaryong Pilipino. Ayon pa sa prosecution panel, maaaring matapos ang impeachment proceedings by September 2026 kung makakapagsimula agad ito sa Hulyo. Target din nilang ipakilala ang next batch ng private prosecutors bago pa man ang trial proper. Layon din ng prosecution panel na magkaroon ng 11 private prosecutors na kaparehong numero ng kanilang miyembro. Cristal Ramizares, IBC News.